Hello, hello. Good morning, KB. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. Let us add another straw into our ones place. So let's think. We had 9 extra ones. We had 9 ones, and I'm adding one more straw in. What does 9 plus 1 equal? 10. Good. So what happens when I get 10 straws in my ones place? What do I need to do? I need to bundle it. So I'm going to take my rubber band and I'm going to bundle the group of 10. And then where does my group of 10 belong? Where does my group of 10 belong? In the ones place? In the hundreds place? No, in the tens place because there's 10 straws here. There are 10 single straws to make one group of 10. So I'm putting in the tens place. And now how many groups of 10 do we have? We had 5 groups of 10, and we added one more group of 10 in. How many is that? 6 groups of 10. Good. So we have 6 groups of 10, and how many extra ones? 0. Now all together, we have one group of 100, 6 groups of 10, and 0 extra ones. We have a big number of 160 straws. So we've been in school for 160 days. Wow, that's a lot of days. And Miss B practices her math a lot. And so I know that we only need 20 more days left until it's summer, right? Because I practice my math. I know that 6 plus 2 equals 8. So 60 plus 20 equals 80. So 160 plus 20 equals 180, which is how many days of school we have. So we only have 20 days left. Wow, it's going by so quickly. So today in our writing, we are writing poems. We are starting a whole new unit of poems. We have a video to explain all that. And today's poem has to do with colors. So I thought we could practice our color words. And so I'm just doing like the very bright colors, okay? So let me see. I'll start off with this one. Let's spell it. O-R-A-N-G-E. What color is this? Orange. Good. And so let's sing the song. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Orange as a carrot, a pumpkin or a parrot. Orange, orange, orange. Can you sing that with Miss B? Let's try again. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Orange as a carrot, a pumpkin or a parrot. Orange, orange, orange. Good. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Good job. Let's see, what word is this? Let's spell it. R-E-D. Red. Good job. R-E-D spells red. R-E-D spells red. R-E-D spells red. Red as a tomato head. One more time. R-E-D spells red. R-E-D spells red. R-E-D spells red. Red as a tomato head. Good. Spell it. R-E-D, red. Okay, let's spell this one. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Good job. G-R-E-E-N. Green as a little leprechaun is. G-R-E-E-N. The fat caterpillar is green. G-R-E-E-N. Green as a little leprechaun is. G-R-E-E-N. The fat caterpillar is green. Ready? G-R-E-E-N. Green. Good job. Oh, Miss B likes this song. Ready? Spell it. Y-E-L-L-O-W. What word is this? Yellow. Okay, ready? Yellow, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow sun and banana too. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow sun and banana too. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Good job. Spell it. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Good job. This is Miss B's favorite color. Ready? P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. And the song goes, P-U-R-P-L-E, like boysenberry jam. P-U-R-P-L-E, as purple as a grape, man. P-U-R-P-L-E, like boysenberry jam. P-U-R-P-L-E, like as purple as a grape, man. Good. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Good job. Okay. Let's spell it. P-I-N-K. Pink. Good. How does this one go? It goes, Pinky was a stinky pig. P-I-N-K, pink. And he needs a bath, I think. P-I-N-K, pink. Pinky was a stinky pig. P-I-N-K, pink. And he needs a bath, I think. P-I-N-K, pink. Good. Spell it. P-I-N-K, pink. Good job. Last one. B-L-U-E. Blue. How does this one go? Miss B is forgetting for 1 second. Oh no, and I didn't write the lyrics on the back either. Blue. B-L-U-E, that spells blue. Ocean blue, sky blue too. B-L-U-E, that spells blue. Raindrops blue. Want to say it again? B-L-U-E, that spells blue. Ocean blue, sky blue too. B-L-U-E, that spells blue. Raindrop blue. Good. So let's spell it. B-L-U-E. Blue. And you see how Miss B kind of forgot the song lyrics, right? Sometimes we forget how to spell it. But sometimes the motion jump-started my brain and it was like, oh, Jack, or oh, Miss B, remember? It starts this way. And so sometimes the lyrics help us, sometimes the hand motions help us. So it just depends on how our brains learn best. Miss B is very, movement, and I love to learn just through movement. So that's what helped Miss B remember this word, okay? So today you're going to be choosing one of the colors to write a poem about. You'll learn more about it in another video today. So, keep these in mind and make sure when you're writing your poems, you're spelling our color words the right way, right? We know what they look like. If we can read them, we can write them. So try to make sure that you are spelling our color words right, okay? So I will see you all later. Bye, friends.